Oh my god. Fuck! 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 Hello? Dan? Andy? Livernois Motorsports? Kevin Van Voris, aka Cali Boy Kev. Look, man, there's two Chargers running 8-second quarter miles. Yeah. Turn up the goddamn nitrous! What's up, Dream Chasers? Oh, fuck. What's up, Wrench Gang? I just spilled a Diet Dr. Pepper. Oops. Fucking Misa just leaving his shit everywhere. Jesus Christ, that's a good way to start a video. That's raw, baby. That is raw. Alright, so today we have our first two Charger Hellcats that are in the 8s. So we're gonna go over those today. The first one, let's see. The first one who ran an 8-second is, I don't know how to say his name. It's ZH Tunes. I'm gonna go over his build with you guys, and then I'll show you a little clip of him going down the drag strip. I think it was Friday, and then Omega did it Saturday. So I talked to Omega. I'm gonna go over his build in a second, but this Charger Hellcat, first time I seen it was at TX2K this year. I think he ran like a low 9.2, maybe a high 9.1. I can't remember exactly, but he was one of the fastest Charger Hellcats on stock blower, stock trans, stock engine. No nitrous at all. So his current setup, which made 1,155 to the wheels. $1,155, not a nitrous, is a 427 stroker motor built by Demon Performance, Tech custom heads, Demon Performance blower cam, 4.5 Whipple supercharger. He's got a Paramount Performance rebuilt HP 8-speed automatic. It's just a built transmission, so it's still the 8-speed. It's not any of those. It's not like a Turbo 400 or anything like that. Which is something that I want to do. I really don't want to change transmissions. I would rather just build my trans. So that's what he did. He's got 1,700 injectors, which is what you need when you're running that big of a blower. And then he's got triple pump return fuel system. He's got leg maker intake. He's got Stainworks headers. He's got 15-inch conversion all the way around. Mickey Thompson's all the way around. He's got a drive shaft. He's got half shafts. He's got lightweight battery. He's got the same diff brace that I have. 180 thermostat, and just kind of, that's about it. So, I'm going to post the video of him running an 8, and then I'll post the video of him on the dyno. It sounds incredible. So with that, he ran at 890, and I think the DA was like 2,000 or 2,200, or it was high, like not exactly low, which is wild as hell. And I'm pretty sure they're in Houston. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that he lives in Houston. So the other car that I want to give a shout out is, some of you probably know who this is on Instagram. It's Omega Hellcats. You guys should follow him on Instagram. So he sent me videos, so I'm going to include those after his build. He's still on a stock motor, stock trans, stock blower. He is on a 200 shot of nitrous. Let me go over his mods real quick. So his tuner is Kurt. It's the same guy who tunes Demonology. He's a really good tuner. And then the car is put together by EMP is what he said. So he's got 265 upper, 10% lower, complete fuel system, and a 200 shot. So again, nothing too crazy. It took them 8 times to run a 9.0 before they ran the 8. So the times are a 909, 908, 906, 905, 904, 903, 902, 902, and then an 894 at 156. Both those cars are trapping a 155, 156. That's insane in a 4-door sedan. And it motivates the shit out of me because I'm like, dude, I want to get my car running. So I'm going to include the, and then the DA that day was 937 feet. So I'm going to include the video, a couple of videos of him going down. So that's pretty incredible. Like, what in the world? What a time to be alive. It's 2019. We've got 4-door Charger Hellcats running 8 seconds. And this is just going to be the first wave. Hopefully, I will be a part of that wave. Now, for my car, like, those cars are completely gutted and everything else. So my car makes 950 to the wheels hot. So it probably makes, like, with ice and everything, probably, like, me and Joseph and Dave are probably saying, like, 970 to 985 probably, maybe 990. So with ice in the tank and everything like that. So is it possible for my car on airbags, which is a lot heavier than those two cars, to run an 899? I think the only way that it's going to happen, well, there's 2 ways. One, definitely on nitrous for sure, which I'm pretty sure we're keeping. And as of today, the car is running. They've already broken it in. It's all good to go. So I don't know when it's coming back, but it should be coming back soon. So finally we'll have a bunch of Charger videos. Thank God. The only way that my car is going to run an 899 is if we're going to Houston in January. So we'll try and set up some events and everything with everybody who lives in Houston. But the only way that it's going to go 899 is 1, with nitrous, and 2, the DA has to be at least -1,000, I think. Now, Livernois, when they first rebuilt my first engine, when they were out testing it, it ran like a 9.6 at like 27 or 2,800 DA. Maybe it was 2,500 DA. It was pretty high. It was at least 2,000. And they said they weren't even getting on it. Which is, if you kind of add that up, my car would have already been making a faster ET than when I ran it at Houston the first time. So, is it possible? I think so. You know, it's going to happen. the weather's got to be right, the track's got to be sticky enough, the 60-foot's got to be there, and there's this fly that's bugging the shit out of me. So I would really love for it to run at 899. I'm not trying to chase a time by any means, but it would be really cool to have an 8-second 4-door car. Like once I get my car back and do a couple, like, see where I can get times for, I really want to do racing, because now that David has his car back, we can go to like Street Car Takeover and do racing events, which we're going to be going to the Dallas one and the Oklahoma City one. So make sure you guys look out for that too. But anyways, I just want to give a shout out to those 2 chargers. I think it's really cool that we've got we've got the first 2 chargers in the 8s, and probably as soon as the weather cools down, you're going to see probably about 4 to 6 more chargers in the 8s, which is pretty wild. Maybe I'll get there in January. I'm not really sure. Livernois was going to try and run my car over the weekend because they had negative 500 DA at their event. But one of my axle boots ripped because it was rubbing on one of my intercooler pipes from my ice tank. So it is what it is, but hopefully we'll get my car back soon. It is running, it's fixed, it's completely ready to go, and I'm excited to finally get some charger videos and just start racing people, whether it's in Mexico or at the drag strip. So I'm excited for that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you guys go follow ZH Tunes on Instagram and go follow Omega Hellcat on Instagram. Those 2 chargers are doing work, and they're just kind of setting the first wave of chargers into the 8s. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you follow me at KellyBoyKev on Instagram and on Snapchat. I'm out this bitch.